Alright, so go ahead and say your full name on camera.
Frederick Sherman.
My name's Luigi. I'm the instructor for this Ferrari 40 GTB. We're doing 6 laps today, correct?
Yes.
And you're from an invite from the ring, correct?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, just put on your seatbelt. I'm going to put you in gear. Just accelerate forward and make a right. There you go.
And am I clear over there?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the brake, yeah. There you go. Make a right turn here. You're going to go all the way around. So where are you from?
Palm Springs.
Oh, okay. Not too far. I'll stay left. So you're going to go on the other side of the tent. There. Yeah. I'll turn it up more when we're on track, so you can hear me better. So get closer by the cones. You're going to line up next to it, okay?
Like on the right side?
Yes. So keep going more straight. And put it this way. Now stay here to the left. I want you to pump the brakes, make sure there's pressure, okay? In 3, 2, 1, enter. Go ahead. Don't cut across, just go straight. Go ahead. Go on, just enter. Let's stay right. Now full throttle, let's go. All the way. Come back over left slowly. There you go. Now braking smooth here. Stay in the green. Alright? You can release the brake now again and turn it to the right. Back on the throttle again. So there's someone behind us, we're going to let him pass real quick. So stay left. Okay? So maintain this. Stay in the inside. Okay. He's passing us real quick. In 3, 2, 1, come back over right slowly. So stay right. Now braking straight to the right, you're going to look left and turn left again slowly. Now hug left for now, closer. Back on the throttle a little bit. A lot more, there you go. Double apex here, turn in. Alright, you can now turn into the left side here. You can accelerate, stay left. Let's go. Keep going. Apex right and hug right again. Maintain the speed, okay? Now brake hard, a lot harder. Turn in early, release slow again. Now stay in the middle right here. Okay? Squeeze the throttle gently. Come back over slowly right. Let's go, stay right. Braking straight to the right side here. You're gonna look left, brake more, and turn left slowly. So hug left now, closer. Light throttle, look ahead. You can accelerate now, come back over left slowly. Go ahead, yo. Yo, just keep it up, stay left. Now brake, nice and smooth, stay left. Brake a little harder. Okay, you can release the brake now again, turn in. Back on the throttle a little bit, turn it in. Unwind, stay right. There you go, very good. Keep going. Now braking smooth here to the right. Look left and turn left again slowly. So hug left now. Look ahead more, okay? Turn your head. There you go, very good. Now double apex, now hug right. Like both of these apex, you can now turn it in left. You can accelerate, go for it, stay left. Now apex right and hug right again, closer. Maintain the speed. Now brake hard. Brake a lot harder, turn it early, release slow again. Now stay in the middle again. Yeah, don't turn it too tight. So apply more throttle. Go ahead, go. Especially when you lift, the rear end's gonna get loose. Stay right again.
Can you talk slower?
Yeah.
I'm having trouble.
Now brake here.
Processing everything.
Look left and turn left again slowly. Okay? Look ahead first. Unwind right. You can accelerate. Go for it. Now just stay left. You can full throttle. Brake, smooth, just stay on the left side of the track. Alright, you can release now and turn in. So back on the throttle a little bit more. Now stay to the right. Now brake straight towards the green. You're going to look ahead first and turn in and slowly release the brake. So go and hug left. Just maintain that speed. Now turn in. Look ahead first, come back over left slowly. There you go, accelerate, go ahead. Apex right, just hug right, tighter, brake hard. So turn in and release the brake slowly. So stay in the middle, closer next time. There you go. All right, come back over slowly right. Now brake straight, stay right, look ahead. So turning in here and slowly release the brake. So hug left. All right, you can accelerate now, come back over left. Having fun?
Yes.
All right,
It's a lot.
Yeah, it's full blast, there you go. Now brake smooth, stay left. Brake a little harder. Alright, you can turn it now and slowly release brake. So back and throttle a little bit more. Stay left. Get unwind right. Braking straight. You gotta look ahead first. You let go of the brake way too soon, so go hug left. Alright, apex right again, turning. Just maintain the speed. Connect it down to the left. Accelerate, go ahead. Apex right, just hug right again. Maintain the speed. Now brake hard. Brake more, harder. Turn again here. So stay in the middle. Squeeze that throttle. Come back over accelerate. Now brake smooth. Stay right. Look ahead. Brake more. Turn it again and slowly release. So hug left, closer. Look ahead first. You can accelerate. Go for it.
When you said look ahead, where am I?
I'm pointing to the straight.
Okay.
You skip looking to the right. Now go accelerate. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta look ahead of the turn. Now brake, smooth, stay left, brake more. Release the brake now and turn it. So back in the throttle a little bit. Turn it now. Unwind to the right, stay right. Now brake, smooth. So look ahead now to the left side. You're gonna see that apex on the left. So you gotta turn more. You see how you're looking ahead here? Turn more, there you go. Now hug brake. And look ahead on the straight, down the straight there. You can accelerate, go ahead. So here, off the throttle, just hug right. You're putting too much here, see? So stay right now, brake hard, turn in early, release slowly. Stay in the middle. Accelerate, go for it. Come back over right slowly. Now braking straight. So look left and turn left again slowly. So I want your eyes down the straight, down to the left. To the left. There you go, accelerate, go ahead. Stay left. Pass to the left. Keep going. Keep going. Stay left. Now brake. Smooth. Stay left, brake more. Alright, you can turn again here and slowly release brake. So go and connect it down to the apex. And stay right. Now brake smooth. So look ahead again. You can turn in and slowly release. So hug the inside left. And go too much throttle at the end there. Go ahead and connect it down to double green again. Stay left. Alright. Apex right. Just hug right. Don't put too much throttle so you can maintain to the right. Brake hard. Brake more. Turn in early. Release slowly. Now stay in middle again. You're gonna come back over slowly right. Now brake. And we're gonna exit straight ahead. Straight ahead. How's that, sir? Good?
It seems like fun, but it's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work.
As you know, yeah.
Especially in this track, it's 10 turns and 1.3 miles, so it's pretty technical.
I did the Cadillac Racing School at Spring Mountain.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Where they drive behind you in the in the CTSV.
Yeah, the lead follow him.
Yeah, it was great, but it was like that. It was very intense.
So make a right turn right here. Sorry, I talk a lot.
No, it's okay. It's so fast I can't process it.
Number 2 right here. So get closer first by the pole. A little more forward. Now pull this both same time, okay? The paddles. Now foot off the brake. And you have any questions for me?
No.
Okay, very good. Good driving, sir.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.